Good afternoon, students. Am I audible in the last? Okay, last thing we have discussed about prime number. Any doubt about prime number? Okay. So what is the definition of prime number? Are those natural number which are divisible by 1 and itself only. Or you can say prime number have exactly two factors. Online students, am I audible? Okay. So now we have some similar concept like prime number. Next concept is twin prime. Twin prime. Any one of you know about twin prime? (11 and 13). What about 2 and 3? These are also twin prime. So here, what about twin prime? Twin prime is like two consecutive prime number with the difference of exactly 2. जैसे 5 and 7 are twin prime. 11 and 13 are twin prime. But 2 and 3 are not twin prime because there is no difference of 2. These are two consecutive prime number, but उनके बीच में difference 1 का है. So you write definition of twin prime: two consecutive prime number, two consecutive prime number with a difference of exactly 2. Example like 5, 7 with a difference of exactly 2. 5, 7, 11, 13. Yesterday I have given you one homework to remember prime number, 25 prime number. You remember that? Let me check. You write a question. From 1 to 100, how many pairs of twin primes are there? Check kar. From 1 to 100, how many pairs of twin primes are there? Take your time. I repeat question: from 1 to 100, how many pair of twin primes are there? Twin prime, I tell you, two consecutive prime number with the difference of exactly 2. Example like 5, 7, 11, 13. These are twin prime. Those who are not remember table, you can refer the table, but today you have to remember that table. Online student given me answer 4, 5, 6. Anji, what is the answer? 7. Okay. I write you the list: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So here 2 and 3 are not twin prime because there has to be difference of exactly 2. Your first pair is 3 and 5. Second pair is 5 and 7. Now third pair 11, 13, then 17, 19. Many students, they get 6 answer because they miss this 29, 31. 29, 31 is also a pair of twin prime because these are two consecutive prime number with a difference of 2. Okay, might be you heard you have to read between the line, but you have to read across the line also. Okay. So next is 41, 43, then 59, 61, 71, 73. So you can check this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 pair of twin primes are there from 1 to 100. So these are your pair of twin primes. Is it clear? Prime number and twin prime. Any doubt about twin prime? Definition clear hai na? Two consecutive prime number with a difference of exactly 2 is known as twin prime. Now next is we have a concept called co-prime number. Okay, whatever information you have about co-prime number, tell me. If any one of you know definition of co-prime number. एक मिनट पहले आप, हाँ जी, आप 2 prime number exactly 1 factor. So why prime number? It can be for any natural number. Any example? 2 and 3. आप कह रहे हो 2 प्राइम नंबर, मैं कहूंगा कि प्राइम नंबर आर नेसेसरली को प्राइम. प्राइम नंबर तो आपस में को प्राइम होते ही होते हैं. ओके, so I give you the definition. First you write, then I will explain. Two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they are having only one as a common factor. Underline word two natural number and underline word only one as a common factor. Some students they say one as a common factor. 4 and 6 they have one as a common factor. Factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. What about common factor? Here you have common factor 1 as well as 2. But condition here is only 1 as a common factor. Not that 1 as a common factor we have in each and every number. Each and every natural number have 1 as a common factor. But the condition is only 1 as a common factor. That's why this 4 and 6 are not co-prime to each other. Like I take example 3 and 5. So what are the factor of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factor of 5? We have 1 and 5. Common factor only 1. Only 1. Since 3 and 5 they have only 1 as a common factor, so 3 and 5 are co-prime to each other. Like 11 and 13. What are the factor of 11? We have 1 and 11. Factor of 13 we have 1 and 13. Common factor only 1. So 11 and 13 are co-prime to each other. One negative example, 4 and 6. You can check 4 and 6 are not co-prime because they don't have only 1 as a common factor. They have 2 also as a common factor. So I repeat, what is the definition about co-prime number? Two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they are having only one. Stress should be on the word only one as a common factor. If you have more than one common factor, they can't be co-prime. So for co-prime, there are two conditions: natural number होने चाहिए, and second condition is only one as a common factor. Now what I will do, I will confuse you. Okay. See what happened when you do your preparation of your GS, you read one thing, you have a good idea, like here you know that thing. But when you read two similar things, sometimes you get confused. Just in your polity, you read about president, you have a clear idea. But the moment you read about parliament, you start getting confused whether this is the power of executive or this is the power of legislature. So if you are getting confused in your UPSC preparation, that is a good sign, means you are learning more. But it doesn't mean if I'm saying that confusion is a good sign, पूरा जीवन confusion में निकालना है, then you have to go to the next stage where you have to clear confusion. You take A4 size paper, left hand side write president power, right side write parliament power and compare. So that in exam you will not have that excuse what mainly student they put, like I got confused in two answer options. Why? You have not read properly. That's why you are getting confused in two answer options. Same here. I told you about prime number. I told you about co-prime number. Okay. Now here I will tell you one thing which might confuse you. After that I will clear confusion. Then we will have a crystal clear conceptual clarity. So the point here is, I repeat, definition of co-prime is two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they are having only one as a common factor. Now next important observation is prime number are necessarily co-prime. Two prime number are necessarily co-prime. दो prime number कोई select करने की जरूरत नहीं, दो prime number तो आपस में co-prime होते ही होते हैं. Any two prime number you choose has to be co-prime. Prime number are necessarily co-prime, but composite number can also be co-prime. Composite number can also be co-prime. So there is no condition that number should be prime number. ऐसी कोई condition नहीं है. Only condition is that number should be natural number and only one as a common factor. You write. ये observation लिख लो. Prime number are necessarily co-prime to each other. But composite number can also be co-prime. Okay. Like I give example, 9 and 16. Both are composite. Neither 9 is prime nor 16 is prime. What are the factor of 9? We have 1, 3, 9. What are the factor of 16? We have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Check common factor. Here you have common factor only 1. So 9 and 16, they have only one as a common factor. That's why 9 and 16 are co-prime to each other. Okay. Some of you got confused between a prime क्या है, co-prime क्या है, थोड़ा खिचड़ी बन गई. I will explain. Twin prime is a separate thing. ठीक है, वो तो सिंपल एक डेफिनेशन है, रट लो. उस पे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि हाउ मेनी पेयर ऑफ ट्विन प्राइम्स आर देयर, दैट्स इट. एज ए कंसेप्ट ट्विन प्राइम वी डोंट यूज. एज ए कंसेप्ट प्राइम एंड को प्राइम वी विल फर्दर यूज. काफी लेक्चर्स में वो यूज भी होंगे. सो नाउ हियर some of you might confuse between prime and co-prime. Let me clear that confusion. Prime number concept we use for one number, and what is that number? Ideal type in sum, जो दो लोगों की सुने, which have exactly two factor, or that number which is divisible by 1 and itself only, like 7. Prime number as a concept we use for single number like 7. So we will check whether 7 is a prime or not. We check factor. What are the factor of 7? 1 and 7. Since 7 have only two factor, yes, 7 is a prime number. So prime number as a concept we use for single number, but co-prime as a concept we use for two number. को-प्राइम कंसेप्ट कभी भी सिंगल नंबर के लिए नहीं यूज होता. वी नेवर यूज को-प्राइम कंसेप्ट फॉर सिंगल नंबर. वी यूज को-प्राइम कंसेप्ट फॉर टू नंबर. इट्स लाइक कपल, एंड वी हैव वेराइटी ऑफ कपल. देयर कैन बी ए कमिटेड कपल लाइक 5 and 7. Like they have one common relationship, they love themselves. Like they have one common relationship, they love themselves. So they have only one common relationship here, 5 and 7. I take factor like relationship. It can be a couple like 81 and 100. This 81 is like husband, having relationship with 1, having relations with 3, having relations with 9, having relations with 27, having relations with 81. So these are the relationship of this husband. Then this wife told, if you have these many relationship, no problem. See my relationship with 1, with 2, with 4, with 5, with 10, with 20, with 25, with 50, with 100. यहाँ relationship पे restriction है. Where is the restriction on common relationship? They have only one common factor or only one common relationship. That's why this 81 and 100 are also co-prime to each other. See here, any two natural number can be co-prime provided that they are having only one as a common factor. Even composite number can also be co-prime. I'm not saying they are prime, I'm saying they are co-prime. But what is the condition? That they should have only one as a common factor. Like here, 25 and 36. What are the relationship of 25? We have 1, 5, 25. What are the factor of 25? We have 1, 5, 25. What are the factor of 36? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. But tell me common factor. Since they have only one as a common factor, that's why 25 and 36 are co-prime to each other. जो मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखवाई थी ना, उसमें एक चीज ऐड कर लो. That prime number are necessarily co-prime, but composite number can also be co-prime provided that, उसके बाद लिखो, provided that composite number can also be co-prime provided that they are having only one as a common factor. Provided that they are having only one as a common factor. They are having only one as a common factor. So I repeat, prime number are necessarily co-prime. Composite number can also be co-prime if they have only one as a common factor. अगर कोई दो कंपोजिट नंबर के बीच में ओनली वन एज ए कॉमन फैक्टर है, दे ऑल्सो को-प्राइम. इवन वन प्राइम नंबर, वन कंपोजिट नंबर कैन ऑल्सो बी को-प्राइम प्रोवाइडेड दैट दे हैव ओनली वन एज ए कॉमन फैक्टर. इट मींस एनी टू नेचुरल नंबर कैन बी को-प्राइम. कोई भी दो नेचुरल नंबर को-प्राइम हो सकते हैं, बट कंडीशन इज दे शुड हैव ओनली वन एज ए कॉमन फैक्टर. नाउ यू चेक. Let me ask you 2-3 questions so that you have better clarity. Check 16 and 25. Whether these are co-prime, yes or no. Yes, what are the factor of 16? You have 1 2 4 8 16. What are the factor of 25? You have 1 5 25. Common factor only 1. So since 16 and 25 they have only 1 as a common factor, so 16 and 25 they are co-prime to each other. Generally, see, as far as concept is concerned, co-prime concept we use for 2 number, but if it is mentioned there are 3 number A, B, C, then it will be mentioned A, B, C are co-prime to each other. उसका मतलब क्या होगा? If they mention about 3 number, it means A and B are co-prime to each other, B and C are co-prime to each other, and A and C are also co-prime to each other. As far as the concept is concerned, co-prime concept we use for 2 number, but you can say A, B, C are co-prime to each other. फिर उसका मतलब ये होगा कि A और B आपस में co-prime है, B और C आपस में co-prime है, A और C आपस में co-prime है. मतलब it's like a friendly. We will say A, B, C are friendly. तो उसका मतलब क्या होगा? A और B आपस में फ्रेंड होंगे, B और C आपस में फ्रेंड होंगे, A और C भी आपस में फ्रेंड होंगे. तो को-प्राइम कंसेप्ट इज ए फ्रेंडशिप और ए रिलेशनशिप. वो 2 लोगों के लिए चाहिए होगा, एक के नहीं. 2 से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, बट इफ इट इज मोर देन 2 नंबर, इट इज अंडरस्टूड कि A और B आर को प्राइम, B एंड C को प्राइम, एंड A एंड C आर ऑल्सो को प्राइम टू ईच अदर. इन दैट केस एक ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट का डाउट है, कैन वी से इफ 2 नंबर आर को प्राइम देन देयर स्क्वायर्स विल आल्सो नेसेसरली बी को प्राइम. ओके, आई कम टू दैट पॉइंट. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? Because co-prime as a concept has to be clear. Why? Because in my divisibility topic I will use a concept of co-prime number. LCM and HCF topic we will use. And where I have seen when I teach that topic, I found earlier कि student they don't know what is co-prime. So that's why I put a stress on a concept prime number, co-prime number, so that you can learn those concepts easily. So I repeat, co-prime के लिए क्या है? Any two natural number can be co-prime provided that they have only one as a common factor. Prime number are necessary, but co-prime number can be. हो सकते हैं, एक condition fulfill कर देता हूं. Now there are some observation about co-prime number we have. You can write observation number 1. Two consecutive natural number. Two consecutive natural number are always co-prime to each other. Like example 9 and 10. You can check what are the factor of 9, 1, 3, 9. What are the factor of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. You have common factor only 1. I will say not only 9, 10. You check any two consecutive natural number, 99 and 100. Don't waste your energy to check factor. It is fixed. It is observation. It is a rule that two consecutive natural number are always co-prime to each other. 100 and 101. ठीक है, no need to waste your energy. जो हमारे बूढ़े लोग हैं वो कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी चेक करके, तभी ये ऑब्जर्वेशन दिए उन्होंने हमें विरासत में. So here two consecutive natural number are always co-prime to each other. Any two consecutive, 25, 26, 50, 51, 90, 91. Okay. Second observation. Two consecutive odd number are always co-prime to each other. Two consecutive odd number. Mind the word odd, not even. Even तो कभी होते भी नहीं है. Odd number like 11 and 13, 51 and 53, 99 and 101. Okay. So you check any two consecutive odd number. These are also co-prime to each other. 9 and 11. कुछ भी check कर लेना. Two consecutive odd number are always co-prime to each other. Now next is third and fourth observation. You write. We understand this observation later when I will teach you LCM or HCF. मैं लिखवा देता हूं अभी। HCF, many of you already know HCF stand for highest common factor. HCF of co-prime number is always 1. Is always 1. Now the fourth one, LCM of co-prime number, anyone, is always, लिख लो, LCM of co-prime number is always their product. Like for example, I will ask what is LCM of 9 and 10. Although I have not taught you LCM, but you can say based on this observation, LCM of co-prime number is always their product. So what is LCM of 9 and 10? 90. If I ask what is the LCM of 9 and 11, you can directly say 99. I will teach you what is LCM, what is HCF, but later. But you remember this. Now the fifth observation is, as one of the student mark, what I can do first, I can dictate this observation. Yeah, first with the help of example I will explain, then I dictate, then I take some extra example. Like if I ask you whether 125 and 216, these are co-prime, yes or no? If you want to check, one method is you check factor of 125, factor of 216, it will be time consuming. But here, can we say what is 125? 5 cube. What is 216? 6 cube. There is one observation which I will dictate, that if 5 and 6 are co-prime, then 5 cube and 6 cube are also co-prime. Or wait, let's say if I take 25 and 36, what is 25? 5 square. What is 36? 6 square. So if this base is co-prime 5 and 6, then 5 is to power 2, 3, whatever it may be, it will be co-prime to this. Wait, 2 and 3 are co-prime? Then 2 is to power 1 will co-prime to 3 is to power 1, and not necessary power has to be same, it can be different. 2 is to power 1 co-prime to 3 square, 2 is to power 1 co-prime to 3 cube, 2 is to power 1 co-prime to 3 is to power 4, 2 square co-prime to 3 is to power 1, 2 square co-prime to 3 square, 2 is to power 2 square co-prime to 3 cube, 2 square co-prime to 3 is to power 4. So it means 2 is to power x will always be co-prime to 3 is to power y, provided that 2 and 3 are co-prime. And where x and y has to be any natural number. Here that student mentioned about square. वो बोल रहा है कि अगर if two number are co-prime, their square are necessarily co-prime. I will say not only square, their cube, their power 4, and not only necessary that this both power has to be same. Both power can be different. Square of 2 will be co-prime to cube of 3. You write, if A and B are co-prime, then a is to power x will always be co-prime to b is to power y. तो a की पावर x b की पावर y से हमेशा co-prime होगा. If a and b are co-prime, then a is to power x will always be co-prime to b is to power y. ठीक है, where x and y can be any natural number. Where x and y can be any natural number. If I ask whether 16 and 27 they are co-prime, yes or no, what is 16? 2 is to power 4. What is 27? 3 is to power 3. You just check base. अगर 2 और 3 co-prime है तो 2 की power 4 is always co-prime to 3. I ask you, tell me whether 729 and 1000 these are co-prime, yes or no? Check. 729 is co-prime to 1000, yes or no? A and B can be any natural number, but A and B has to be co-prime. अथर्व, मतलब मैंने 2 और 3 तो सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल के लिए लिया था. 2 और 3 कोई जरूरी तो नहीं 2 ही 3 होगा. जैसे ये 9 क्यूब 10 क्यूब, तो ये 9 और 10 भी तो हो सकता है. So 9 and 10 are co-prime. How come? Because 2 consecutive natural number. 9 and 10 are co-prime. So 9 cube and 10 cube has to be co-prime. No need to waste your energy to check all the factor of 729, which is time consuming, to take all the factor of 1000. Then you check common factor. There is a concept, because it is 9 cube and 10 cube. If 9 and 10 are co-prime, then 9 cube and 10 cube has to be co-prime. अगर 9 और 10 को प्राइम है तो 9 की कोई भी पावर लोगे वो 10 की किसी भी पावर से को प्राइम होगा. 9 is to power x को प्राइम टू 10 is to power y, where x and y can be same, can be different. अलग अलग भी हो सकता है, क्यूब होने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे if I ask 81 and 1000, check if these are co-prime, yes or no. What is 81? 9 square. What is 1000? 10 cube. If 9 and 10 are co-prime, then 9 square and 10 cube has to be co-prime. Co-prime, all of you know. Again and again I'm asking. Definition of co-prime is clear. That two natural number A and B are said to be co-prime if they are having only one as a common factor. The stress should be natural number, only one as a common factor. That is very important. Any doubt? हाँ जी सर. Fine. Now next concept is perfect number. Any one of you know about perfect number? हाँ जी आप बताइए.
अगर उस नंबर का डबल होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल 6 के जो फैक्टर्स है 1 2 and 3 है, आफ्टर एडिंग दोस नंबर्स वी आर गेटिंग नंबर 12, तो वो परफेक्ट नंबर हो जाएगा.
Yes, perfect. Perfectly you have explained about perfect number. लिख लो perfect number. If the sum of the factors of any number is double than the number then that given number is a perfect number. If sum of the factors of any number is double than the number, then the given number is a perfect number, or then that number is a perfect number. मतलब जिस नंबर की बात हो रही है वो perfect number. Example like 6. Then the given number is a perfect number. What are the factor of 6? We have 1, 2, 3, 6. If you take sum of the factor of 6, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12, do we have double than the given number? Yes, so 6 is a perfect number. Can anyone tell me after 6 what is the next perfect number? चेक मत करो क्योंकि चेक करने में एनर्जी वेस्ट होगी. आफ्टर 6 नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट नंबर इज 28. So check what are the factors of 28. So factor of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. You can check some 1 plus 2, 3, 7, 14, 28 plus 28. We have 56. So it is double. So first perfect number is 6. Second perfect number is 28. Third perfect number is 496. Then 8128. Then the fifth one is 3350336. It doesn't mean I'm giving only few example. There is no perfect number between 6 and 28. After 6, next perfect number is 28. After 28, next perfect number is 496. 496 your third perfect number. This is your fourth perfect number. Here between 8128 and this क्या आ रहा है ये 3,35,50,50,336 3 CR 35,50,336. There is no perfect number. और उससे नेक्स्ट होगा उसमें 16 डिजिट के आसपास है. वी हैव ओनली फ्यू नंबर विच आर परफेक्ट नंबर. स्टार्टिंग 4 यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. पहले 4 रट लो क्योंकि इससे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. मेनली 6 and 28. But you remember 496 and 8128 also. You have to remember first perfect number. Directly it can be used. Directly it can be used. Clear? Perfect number. Now next concept we have rule of BODMAS. Might be heard about BODMAS, but now I tell you BODMAS. अभी इसमें एक और एडिशन हो गया V. ठीक है, पैसे लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ाऊंगा. ठीक है, BODMAS में एक V ऐड हो. अब स्कूल टाइम में भी हो चुका है ऐड. मतलब अपने टाइम में BODMAS था या नहीं भी था काफी स्कूल्स में. तो इट इज V BODMAS. Now this V stand for vinculum. Vinculum is like bar bracket. Bar bracket. I will explain. Next is B stand for brackets. We have 3 type of brackets: small, curly, square. This is called small bracket. Sorry, small. This is called curly. और बड़ी वाली big भी बोलते हैं या square bracket. O stand for off or order. Order means power, like 2:5. Off या तो off लिखा होगा, कहीं पे power भी लिखी होती है 2:5. D stand for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. Vinculum is like a bar bracket, bracket, small, curly, square, O for order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now, what is the use of this? Like we have calculation 7 into 10 divided by 2 minus 6 plus 5. If someone will say I will solve it from left to right, or someone will say I will solve right to left, or someone will say I break in 2 parts, then first left, first right, then all of you may get different answer. We will get variety of answer. So then mathematician told like how you can get different answer in mathematics. It is not social science कि हमारे different answer आएंगे. We need same answer. So then mathematician made a rule that here it is vinculum. If in your calculation there is a vinculum bracket or a bar bracket, first you have to remove that bracket. After that, in case of bracket, first you have to open small. यहाँ पे order क्या है? First we have to open small bracket, then we have to open curly bracket, then we have to open square bracket. Then if any of or order used, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Like for example, I have this calculation under vinculum bracket, and as per rule I have to remove this vinculum bracket. Even when I will remove this vinculum bracket, then also I can't go left to right. Under this vinculum bracket also I have to follow the same order. First I have to do division, then I have to do multiplication, then I have to do addition, then I have to do subtraction. I have to follow the same order. If I have this calculation inside this small bracket, as per rule I have to remove this small bracket. Here what happen? I have to follow the same order. जब मैं ये bracket हटाऊंगा, पहले मुझे division करना होगा, फिर multiplication करना होगा, फिर addition करना होगा, फिर subtraction करना होगा. I will do this. So as per rule I have to do this division. Tell me what is 10 divided by 2? 5. So 7 into 5 minus 6 plus 5. What is 7 into 5? 35 minus 6 plus 5. Then as per rule I have to do addition. अच्छा, first you try. पहले आप ये try करो. इतना तो मैंने आधा तो मैंने solve कर दिया ना, बचा हुआ आधा आप solve करो. आपको एक जादू दिखाऊंगा. करो. इतना तो कर सकते हो ना. हाँ जी. What is your answer? How many of you got 24 as an answer? आ रहा ना 24? देखो ये जादू है. See here, what is mentioned here? Addition. तो उन्होंने ये क्या किया, यहाँ पे 35 minus 11 करके 24 आंसर निकाल दिया, which is actually wrong. अब गलती कहाँ हुई? I tell you. This is one common mistake student they do in BODMAS rule. See here, yes, addition is required, but you check, you are adding one negative integer and a positive integer. You are doing minus 6 plus 5. So when you are adding a positive integer in a negative integer, what is minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So it is 35 minus 1. Correct answer is 34. Don't write minus 11 here, that is wrong. Before I discuss this rule, before I discuss 4-5 question on this rule, let us work on this. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कुछ स्टूडेंट यहाँ गलती करते हैं. Like here, for example, if I ask you minus 11 plus 10. Some student they do mistake, they write minus 21, but it is wrong. You are adding one negative integer with one positive integer, so your value will be minus 1, not minus 21. See here, in case of addition, तीन चीजें हो सकते हैं, where you have to add two positive integer like 3 plus 5, and I don't think anyone will have issue here. ये तो easy है. 8. You have two negative integer, minus 3 and minus 5. What is minus 3 and minus 5? Minus 8. But when there is one positive integer, one negative integer, there some student they get confused. Like here, if I ask you minus 13 plus 10, ठीक है, minus 3 plus 10. So what is important here? When you have one negative integer, one positive integer, here negative integer is 13, positive integer is 10. स्कूल में अगर याद हो, might be your teacher told on a number line. उन्होंने नंबर लाइन पे पढ़ाया हुआ, ये 0 है, -1, -2, -3, it is -13. तो -13 में से 10 step you have to move rightward side, तो you come to -3. अगर ये करते हो तो what is -3 plus 10? -3. तो you see negative integer and a positive integer. Don't write -23. If you write it is -23, it is wrong. You are adding one negative integer in a positive integer. Net answer is -3. Here, what is the answer? plus 7 or minus 13? So you have a positive integer plus 10 and negative integer minus 3. So overall your value will be plus 7, not minus 13. हाँ, अगर ये होता कि minus 3 plus 10, फिर पिक्चर अलग होती. If you have a negative sign outside the bracket, then we have to add this two integer first. As per rule, you have to solve this bracket. Then we will see what symbol we have outside that bracket here. Then it is minus 13. But यहाँ तो आपका आंसर plus 7 आएगा. Is this clear? Those who are getting 24 as a answer, minus 6 plus 5 doesn't means minus 11. Minus 6 plus 5 means minus 1. So 35 minus 1 is 34. Come to the rule. So our rule is, first, if there is a vinculum bracket, you have to remove vinculum bracket. You have to solve calculation under vinculum bracket. Then if you have bracket, you have to open first small, then curly, then square. If of order, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Since it is not banking exam, if you check PYQ, 2 बार उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा. हाँ जी, plus 7. क्या चीज, एक तो ये था और दूसरा क्या कराया, minus 11 plus 10. यहां तो आंसर आया minus 1 क्योंकि नेगेटिव वैल्यू बड़ी है. minus 11 and plus 10, तो ओवरऑल रिजल्ट नेगेटिव रहेगा क्योंकि नेगेटिव वैल्यू बड़ी थी 11, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू 10 थी. ठीक है, यहां पे पॉजिटिव वैल्यू बड़ी है, नेगेटिव वैल्यू छोटी है, तो नेट रिजल्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ 10 and 3? 7, बट इट इज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू इज बिगर देन नेगेटिव वैल्यू plus 7. Okay, so here there are two questions has been asked in previous year from 2011 to 2025, so that's why we will not go in detail. I will take 2-3 example in class, and in your booklet there is a handout, more than enough. So here let us practice some question. I will solve 1 or 2 question for you, then I ask you 1 or 2 question. Like here, square bracket start, curly bracket start, small bracket start, 7 into 3, small bracket close, divided by 7, curly bracket close, plus 7, square bracket close, divided by 2, plus 10, divided by 5, plus 10, minus 3, vinculum. So as per rule, first we have to solve this vinculum, and it is easy. 10 minus 3, 7, and outside this vinculum bracket there is a plus symbol. So पहले you have to remove this vinculum bracket, you get 7. Then you have to open this small bracket. What is 7 into 3? 21. So you get 21 here. Then inside this curly bracket you have to do this calculation. What is 21 divided by 7? 3. Then you have to open this curly bracket, 3. Then finally 3 plus 7, 10. When you open this entire bracket one by one, step by step, you get 10 divided by 2 plus 10 divided by 5 plus 7. Then you have division, so we will solve both the division. What is 10 divided by 2? 5. What is 10 divided by 5? 2 plus 7. Since there is no subtraction, तो फिर finally solve करेंगे. What is 5 plus 2? 7 plus 7? 4. So your answer here is 4. But you have to follow the rule. First we remove vinculum bracket, then you open small bracket, then curly, then square, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That is the rule. You try. Square bracket start, curly bracket start, small bracket start, 5 into 7, small bracket close, minus 3 plus 10 divided by 2, curly bracket close, into 5, square bracket close, plus 20 divided by 4 minus 5. Try, go slow, step by step. Don't be in hurry. Try this question. So now here first we open this small bracket 35 minus 3 plus 10 divided by 2. When you open this curly bracket, first you do this. What is 10 divided by 2? 5. So it is 35 minus 3 plus 5. तो यहाँ maybe you can get confused. 35 minus 3 plus 5. ठीक है. What you can do, एक चीज और कर सकते हो, you can take all positive value separately, negative value separately. 35 and 5 40, 40 में से 3 माइनस कर देंगे तो you get 37. या ये सोल्व करेंगे, बट इसमें ये पूरा सोल्व करना. माइनस 3 प्लस 5 इज प्लस 2. So 35 plus 2 is 37. When you solve this curly bracket, your total value come 37 into 5. This is square bracket. Plus 20 divided by 4 minus 4. What is 37 into 5? 185. Then plus 20 divided by 4 minus 5. What is 20 divided by 4? 5 minus 5. Since 5 minus 5 is 0, the answer is 185. Now you have booklet with you. Booklet number 1. Open page number 4. Online students, those who have taken admission earlier might have received your hard copy of this booklet. How many of you have received your hard copy of material online student? Just write yes in comment. And those who have taken admission in last 10 days, उनको अगले 10 दिन तक मिलेगा hard copy material by courier. You will get by Diwali. ठीक है, दिवाली से पहले मिल जाना चाहिए आपको, जिनको नहीं मिला है. So that's why we have shared soft copy PDF with you. So till then you can use that PDF. हाँ, ये कि ऑनलाइन वालों को सारी बुकलेट एक साथ मिल जाएंगी. There are 4 बुकलेट. ऑफलाइन हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट those who will get from the institute, उनको जब जब like we use that, you got booklet number 1. Once we will discuss this, then you got booklet number 2, 3, 4, जिसमें से 3 मैथमेटिक्स के लिए, 1 इंग्लिश के लिए. ओके जी, पेज नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. If P denote addition, Q denote subtraction, R denote multiplication, S denote division, then which of the statement given below is are correct? So here statement number 1 is 42S, 21P, 64Q, 6R2, is it equal to 50? We have to check. But here coding or like this is given in question. P denote addition. What S denote? S denote division. So 42 divided by 21, P P denote addition plus 64, Q denote subtraction minus 6, R denote multiplication into 2 is equal to 50. Now you apply your rule. First you have to do division. So 42 divided by 21, 2 plus 64, then multiplication. What is minus 6 into 2? Minus 12. Then you do 62 plus 2, 60, 64 plus 2, 66 minus 12. What is 66 minus 12? 54. Here it is given 50. Whether this statement is correct? No, wrong. Because according to calculation it should be 50, but we are getting 54. जब हमने ये पूरा सोल्व किया हमारी वैल्यू 54 आ गई. So statement 1 is wrong. Check statement number 2. Statement number 2 is 42 P4 R2 Q3 S1 is equal to 47. P denote addition, 42 plus 4. R denote multiplication into 2. Q denote subtraction minus 3. S denote division divided by 1. So first you do division. What is minus 3 divided by 1? 3 only. Then multiplication. What is 4 into 2? 8 minus 3. So 42 plus 8, 50 minus 3. We get 47. You get exactly same value. So statement number 2 is correct. Statement 1 is wrong. Have patience. This is bonus mark. If there will be a question on BODMAS, bonus mark. Try question number 2. Take your time. I give you 2-minute time. Keep answer with yourself. You check this. EP means addition, Q means multiply, R means divide, S means subtraction. Then what will the value of the following expression? 18R9 P2 Q8 S4. Done. What is the answer for question number 2? (18R9 P2Q8S4). What R means? Divide. 18 divided by 9. What P means? Addition. What Q means? Multiply. What S means? Subtraction. So first division 2, then multiplication 16 minus 4, 18 minus 4, you get 40. Let us try one more question. Remaining is your homework. बाकी आप घर पे try करेंगे. Question number 3. If P denote addition, Q denote division and so on, there are two statements. Check whether statement 1 alone is correct, statement 2 alone correct, both correct, neither. Done. Let me check statement number 1. 44Q 11P6 S2 R2. Q denote division. So 44 divided by 11. P means addition. But S means subtraction. R means multiplication. So first you do division. 4 plus 6. What is minus 2 into 2? Minus 4. So it is 10 minus 4, 6. Statement number 1, value given 16. So statement 1 is wrong. Then let us check statement number 2. 36Q3 R2 P2 S10. This is 10. Q means division. R means multiplication. P means addition. S means subtraction. So first division. So this is 12. देखो अब इसमें ना कोई अगर पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा तो अलग आंसर आ जाता है 6. 36 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 6 बनता है. तो पहले डिवीजन होगा 12 into 2 plus 2 minus 10. Then multiplication 24 plus 2 minus 10. It is 26 minus 10. We get 16 and it is given 16. Yes, statement 2 is correct. Okay. Now this is your homework. Now next small topic is, you put heading rule of counting principle. Rule of counting principle. First rule, sum of first n natural number. Can anyone tell me what is the formula of sum of first n natural number? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So here this is your short trick. Sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. I solved two questions for you, like it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 30. So if it is asked what is sum of first 30 natural number, so you put value of n 30 here. So it is 30 into 31 divided by 2. So it is 15. What is 31 into 15? 465. So if I ask you what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 30, either you have to add manually, but that is time consuming. We have a short trick, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now you try. Next question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 50. Tell me what is sum of first 50 natural number. So it is n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 50 into 51 divided by 2. So it is 25 into 51. So I think what is your answer? 1275. Now next question. What about 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 80? Sum of first 80 natural number. Done. What is your answer? So now it is 80 into 81 divided by 2. So it is 40 into 81. It will come 3240. Okay. You have to calculate. Now one more. What about 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 100? Sum of us 100 natural number. So now it is 100 into 101 divided by 2. So 15 to 101, 5050. Okay. So these are level 1 question. Directly we get answer. Now level 2. Try. 31 plus 32 plus 33 up to 80. Find the sum of this series. Take your time. हाँ जी 1275. अच्छा 2775. अच्छा क्या आया 6015. एक आंसर आया 1275. एक आया 2775. और कुछ आया? हाँ वी विल यूज द सेम रूल बट थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के. ठीक है थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा इसमें. I will not going to give you new formula. We will apply same formula but not the way we have done in level 1 question. इसमें थोड़ा अलग से लगेगा. कुछ और किसी का 3240 आया? 3240 क्या आया फिर 3240? हाँ अच्छा फिर आंसर क्या है? चलो बढ़िया. थोड़ा स्लो हो लेकिन सही हो. ओके जी दोज आर गेटिंग 3240 उनसे मेरा सिंपल क्वेश्चन है इफ यू आर गेटिंग ए टोटल ऑफ दिस इज 3240 तो फिर इसमें 1 2 3 इसका भी आंसर यही आ रहा है. ठीक है तो दोनों अलग है. सी हियर और जिसका 1275 आ रहा है तो उसका 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 50 का भी वही आंसर आता है. So this question is different from this question is different from this. Now the problem is the formula which I have given you, it has one condition. क्या लिखा है? Sum of first and natural number. You can apply this formula only when your series start from 1. Otherwise you can't. If you want to use this formula, it should be sum of first and natural number. Your series should start from 1 but actually in this question it starts from 31. So what is important, what is missing? 1 to 30 is missing. तो जो missing है वो ऐड कर दो. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 30. So you get a series from 1 to 80. But if you add something there will be imbalance. Whatever you have added same thing you have to subtract. जो ऐड किया वो सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करना पड़ेगा. -1 2 3 up to 30. You have a question 31 to 80. Directly you can't apply formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2 because that formula is for sum of first and natural number. So here 1 to 30 is missing, you have to add that. Same thing you subtract. So now you get two series, 1 to 80 and 1 to 30. You have to apply this formula two times. First you have to find sum of 80 natural number. So it will be 80 into 81 divided by 2 minus sum of a 30 natural number, 30 into 31 divided by 2. So now if you solve, this is coming 3240. If you solve, it is coming 465. So what is your answer? 3240 minus 465. Your answer will come 2775. So we can use this formula only when your series start from 1. If it is not starting, you can start. आप complete कर सकते हो. 1 to 30 missing था. So we can add this, but provided that same thing you subtract in the last. So you get two series, 1 to 80 and 1 to 30. If you understood, okay. Otherwise, let's try two more questions. जिसको नहीं समझ में आ गया, थोड़ा wait करें. Question 51 plus 52 plus 53 up to 100. Take time, keep answer with yourself. What is your answer? 3775. See here, starting में what is missing? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50. So that it become a series from 1 to 100. Same thing you subtract. So here first 100 natural number, 100 into 101 divided by 2 minus 50 into 51 divided by 2. So here it is 5050 minus 1275. It come 3775. Check your calculation if you get any other way. Now it is okay. करा क्या? पहले 50 नेचुरल नंबर मिसिंग थे, वो ऐड किए, फिर दो सीरीज बनाते. ट्राई वन मोर, एक और कर दो. 41 plus 42 plus 43 up to 100. Find the sum of this series. Done. What is the answer? So what is missing? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 40. We add, same thing we subtract. So we get a series from 1 to 100. So it is 100 into 101 divided by 2 minus 40 into 41 divided by 2. So it is 5050 minus 820. So it comes 4230. Next, rule number 2. Now what is sum of square of first and natural number? Sum of square of first and natural number. By this what I mean, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to n square. Any one of you know this formula by chance? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. You write. Sum of square of first n natural number formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Let us try 2-3 questions. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square. First you try this. Value of n is 10 in this question. Formula n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So now it is 10. 10 plus 1 11. So it is 20 plus 1 21 divided by 6. So this is 5, 3, it is 7. So 35 into 7, 385. Second question. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 square. So what is the value of n? 20 into 20 plus 1 into 40 plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So it is 20 into 21 into 41 divided by 6. So this is 10, 3, this is 7, 17 to 41, 2870. Here also level 2 question. Is it okay? Question number 1, question number 2. How many of you are slow in calculation? I tell you the reason. Okay. One is table 2 to 20. ठीक है, याद कर लेना. Square, cube. This will help you to be fast in calculation. I tell you the reason why you are slow in calculation. Okay. One day I was sitting behind a tree, not board tree, पीपल के ट्री के नीचे. वहां मुझे ज्ञान मिला. अभी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. एक डेमो दिखाता हूं. You will get the answer. why you are slow in calculation. I open the stopwatch. ABCD all of you know. ठीक है, मनी मन करना है A to Z ABCD, देखते हैं कितना फास्ट, एंड जैसे ही हो जाए जस्ट रेज योर हैंड, आई विल स्टॉप द स्टॉपवॉच, जब मैं स्टार्ट बोलूं तब। ओके, ABCD ऐसा Z तक, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। 3 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, इतना ही टाइम रहता है जनरली, टेक 3 4 5 सेकेंड। ओके जी, अब करना है उल्टा, ZWYX, चीटिंग नहीं करनी ब्रो। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। हो गया, आओ कम हियर। 12 सेकेंड दोबारा से करें। मैं जब स्टार्ट करूं, ठीक है, अगर थोड़ा वो लग रहा है कि लोग बैठे, आंखें बंद करो, साइड 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
तो पहले मन में किया था,
आंखें बंद करके 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
ZYXW VU TR TS RQ PONM LK JI HGFE DCBA।
ठीक है, इट्स ओके, गुड। जनरली एवरेज टाइम इज 30-40 सेकेंड, तो इट्स गुड। ठीक है, 13 सेकेंड टाइम इज गुड टाइम। नाउ व्हाट इज द मैसेज बिहाइंड दिस? वी हैव प्रैक्टिस A to Z 1000 टाइम्स ड्यूरिंग स्कूल डेज। पढ़ाया भी होगा ABCD, घर पे भी, पेरेंट्स भी, ठीक है, हाउस हेल्प भी करा रहा होगा कभी कभी आपको ABCD बचपन में, ठीक है, पड़ोसी भी करा रहे होंगे। तो वी हैव डन मोर देन 1000 टाइम, बट Z to A hardly we have done. You know, it doesn't mean you don't know Z to A. We know A to Z, we know Z to A, but we have not practiced. Same here, if any one of you slow in calculation, it is just because of lack of practice. School days you avoided your calculation part, ठीक है, and nowadays also I have seen many people like they just learn the concept, हाँ ठीक है सर ने concept पढ़ा दिया, calculation we will see later. आप भी IAS नहीं बने हो, ठीक है, till you get selected you have to do your calculation, whatever calculation you have, wherever you have to simplify, you simplify. Don't avoid that calculation, because if you keep on avoiding that calculation you will remain slow in your calculation. This is one of the reason. I'm not saying this is the only reason. One reason is you are not good in table, you are not good in a square value, you are not good in a cube value, you have not remembered those value. Second thing is school days you avoided each and every calculation, you have not shown any interest in that. So this is second reason. When I will teach percentage, then we will work on some extra concept where I will help you how you can increase your calculation speed. And it is not like a मैगी थिंग कि 5 मिनट में या 10 मिनट में, 2 मिनट में नहीं बनती मैगी, ठीक है, कच्ची रह जाती है, 5 से 10 मिनट लगते हैं. सो हियर इट इज नॉट मैगी कि 5-10 मिनट्स में आई कैन गिव ए कैप्सूल एंड योर कैलकुलेशन स्पीड इंक्रीज. इट इज ए प्रोसेस, इट विल टेक टाइम, 3 to 4 months, 5 months, but we have time. But in my percentage class, I give you wonderful trick so that we can increase our calculation speed. Till then, wherever you have calculation, you do. Don't worry about your speed. Because luckily you are preparing for CSAT. Here calculation have minimum role. Conceptual clarity, reasoning and other thing have more role. यहाँ कैलकुलेशन का रोल मिनिमम है, बट आनी चाहिए. यू शुड नो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट. यू कांट अवॉइड कैलकुलेशन. सो हियर डोंट वरी, बट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. कैलकुलेशन पे काम करते रहना साथ के साथ. अभी इतना वरी नहीं होना है. स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली योर कैलकुलेशन स्पीड विल इंप्रूव. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ जी, okay. See, there is a question like table we tried, but we are not able to remember the table. Now, yesterday I asked you that I will tell you one funnel for retention. अभी बता देता हूँ, then I take question. You have table from 2 to 20. and try to use this concept. I just take 5 minutes. It is going to help you in your UPSC preparation, in even GS also. It is going to save your 6 month of your preparation, I guarantee. जो चीज मैं आप बताने वाला हूं इस पे ध्यान से गौर करना. See here, I have seen student, what they do, they read Lakshmikant and they read their favorite chapter again and again. जो उनको आता है वो भी बार बार पढ़े जा रहे हैं. फंडामेंटल राइट पढ़ लिया, अगेन एंड अगेन दे आर रीडिंग द सेम थिंग. सेम हियर, व्हेन यू हैव टू रीड टेबल फ्रॉम 2 to 20, you make a funnel. I guarantee out of 2 to 20 table, there are certain table you remember in first go. Table of 10, table of 2 to 9, table of 11, table of 15, table of 20. वो आपको एक ही बार में याद आ जाएगा. Even in GS also there are information here in first go your mind able to retain. Because your mind like that information. आपके माइंड को वो पसंद आ गई है इंफॉर्मेशन, तो दैट्स व्हाई योर माइंड हैव शोन इंटरेस्ट फॉर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड योर माइंड हैज रिटेन दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. पसंद आ गई. Second type of information your mind has rejected. Table of 17, 18, 19, your mind has not accepted those table. आपके माइंड ने वो इंफॉर्मेशन रिजेक्ट की. It can be for GS also. In polity there may be some articles where your mind has rejected in first go, you are not able to retain. So what you do here, there are 100 information you read. So next time what you do, you will find out of 100 maybe 40, maybe 50, maybe 60, depend individual to individual, you have written. पहली बार में याद हो जाती हैं 40% information या 50% या 60% या 30%, depend individual to individual. But why to waste your energy in the second? मैंने देखा दूसरी बार भी टेबल ऑफ 2 रटे जा रहे हो. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 2, 5 की टेबल, 10 की टेबल याद हो गई, आपके माइंड को पसंद आ गई, ज्यादा पसंद नहीं करवाना है. So in the second go, you make a list of that information which your mind has rejected. जो आर्टिकल आपके माइंड ने रिजेक्ट कर दिए. ज्योग्राफी की लोकेशन विच योर माइंड हैज रिजेक्टेड. इकोलॉजी में सम टर्म्स योर माइंड हैज रिजेक्टेड. सो हियर लाइक यू फाइंड टेबल ऑफ 12, 13, 14, टेबल ऑफ 16, 17, 18, 19, you find your mind have not remembered yet. Then there are two type of persons we have. One, छोड़ो, नहीं हो रहा यार. Second type of person, like here with the attitude like how I have not remember this, with double energy. If your mind has rejected this information, means your mind don't like this table, then how to remember this? You have to put double energy. तो आपका माइंडसेट ऐसा होना चाहिए, आपको अब ज्यादा फोर्सफुली याद करनी पड़ेगी. यू राइट, चिल्ला चिल्ला के पढ़ो, कुछ लिखो, बार बार लिखो. यू हैव टू पुट मोर एनर्जी, यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व मोर सेंसेस. आपने अपनी सेंसेस इन्वॉल्व करने हैं. किसी को पकड़ के पढ़ाओ, गली में कोई जा रहा, टेबल पढ़ाता हूं, ठीक है. So then what you will find in the third go, you find table of 12, 13, 14, 16 might be have remembered. तो then don't waste energy for table of 12, 13, 14, 16, क्योंकि अब आपके माइंड को ये याद हो चुके हैं. सो इन फनल यू गेट ए इंफॉर्मेशन. फिर आपका क्या होगा, यहाँ 40% ऑफ थिंग्स यू हैव रिमेंबर, फिर 20% एक्स्ट्रा यू हैव रिमेंबर, फिर आपका 17, 18, 19 बचेगा. तो इट मीन्स योर माइंड इज फर्दर नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. थोड़ा डीप टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है एंड योर माइंड इज नॉट हैविंग इंटरेस्ट फॉर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. हियर यू हैव टू पुट फर्दर मोर एनर्जी, थोड़ा और एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी डाल के. सो यू गो फॉर 1 4 11. फिर उसके बाद मे बी 10% ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन योर माइंड इज नॉट एबल टू रिटेन, उसको छोड़ सकते हो. बट एटलीस्ट 90% ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. अदरवाइज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, द वे यू आर रिवाइजिंग, आई फील देयर इज सम फ्लो. जिस तरीके से आप रिवीजन करते हैं ना, उसमें कुछ फ्लो है. व्हाट यू डू, देयर इज ए 100% इंफॉर्मेशन you read, and after that you revise all the 100% information with the same attitude, same level of energy you put. Whereas you have to bifurcate this information in two parts. In information को आपको दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड करना है. The information which your mind has remembered or retained, the information your mind has rejected. Here you can save energy. यहाँ की एनर्जी यहाँ पे डालोगे. अगर आप वही एनर्जी टेबल फ्रॉम 2 to 20 डालेंगे, you will have same result. With the second reading also, you will not able to retain table of 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. वही रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. फिर आपका ये ऐसा सिस्टम बनता है, ढोल बन जाएगा. ठीक है, एक सिलेंडर बनेगा आपका. सिलेंडर के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, यू फीड 100% इंफॉर्मेशन and same level of energy you put for all 100 information irrespective if you remember or not remember. आप सबको दोबारा से पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर देते हो, जो याद हो गया उसको भी पढ़ रहे हो, जो नहीं याद हुआ उसको भी पढ़ रहे हो. It means the things which you have not remember are compromised and thing you have remember is like here, उसका ज्यादा ही ख्याल रख लिया आपने, फिर उसको दो बार मतलब एक ट्रीटमेंट ऐसा दे दिया कि जो नहीं चाहिए था. So here what you do, if you make this funnel, it will help to cater that information which your mind has rejected. You can, time तो limited है ना, you have limited time, either you spend your limited time for 100% information again and again, or what you can do 40% information जो आपको याद होगी, why to put energy for that 40% information again and again, you work on 60% information which you have not remember. तो यहां पे आप ज्यादा इंटेंस एनर्जी पुट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ये करना. इट विल टेक टाइम. हियर आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, लाइक हियर सी हियर, बचपन के पाप एकदम नहीं धुलने वाले. इट विल टेक टाइम. अभी एक बार याद भी हो जाएगा, फिर आफ्टर ए वीक यू विल फॉरगेट, फिर दोबारा से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. But better if you can remember from table from 2 to 20, you remember the squares and cube, it will help you. Now question, 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square up to 20 square. Try this question. Then so here either you do manually 11 square 12 square सबकी वैल्यू लिखेंगे, ऐड करेंगे, but otherwise what you can do, what is missing, you can add 1 square plus 2 square up to 10 square, and same thing we can subtract 1 square 2 square 10 square. So here we have 1 square to 20 square. So this is 20 into 21 into 41 divided by 6 minus 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6. Both calculation we already done, you can use it. ठीक है, previous questions. ये क्या आया था 2870, ये क्या आया था 385. What is your final answer? 2485. Now next, rule number 3. Rule number 3 is sum of cube of first n natural number. Sum of cube of first n natural number. By this what I mean, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 10 cube. Not 10 cube, n cube, sorry. Sum of cube of first n natural number, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. Can anyone tell me what is the formula here? क्या बोल दिया? n square into n plus 1 whole square. अच्छा, it is, you are also correct, I'm also correct, but I remember this, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. But if you open this bracket you get the exactly same thing. You write पहला रूल जो सीखा था, sum of first n natural number but उसका square, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. What is sum of cube of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Try one question. What is 1 cube plus 2 cube, 3 cube up to 10 cube? So now here our formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So it is 10 into 11 divided by 2 whole square. So it is 55 square. So you write 55 square is 3025. I tell you the short trick to find square in any of the class. Okay, maybe this week only. Now next. Is it okay? एक और ट्राई करो. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 20 cube. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube up to 20 cube. Done. So it will be 20 into 21 divided by 2 whole square. So it is 210 square. I think you know what is 21 square. 441 and एक जीरो है तो स्क्वायर में दो जीरो बन जाते हैं. 44100 44,100. Next rule number 4. Sum of an odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5. Sum of an odd number. So short trick for this is n square. Simple. N square. Sum of an odd number is n square. I think you remember 2 square to 25 square. Day 1 homework. Let me check. Tell me what is sum of 19 odd number. Sum of 19 odd number. 19 square. What is 19 square? So it will be 19 square. 19 square is 361. कम आवाज आ रही है आप लोग. Sum of 21 odd number. 21 square, which is 441. Sum of 17 odd number. What is 17 square? 289. Sum of 24 odd number. 24 square and 24 square is 576. So formula here is sum of n odd number is n square. Next. Sum of n even number. So formula for sum of n even number is n into n plus 1. There is no denominator. N into n plus 1. By this what I mean 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so. Tell me what is sum of first 20 even number. So as per this formula 20 into 21, so 420. n into n plus 1. Tell me, what is sum of first 50 even number? So here it is 50 into 51. So what is 50 into 51? 2550. Okay. So today what we have done, prime number we have covered yesterday, but I told you twin prime. Then I confuse you with co-prime, but I think I try my best to clear what is prime, what is co-prime. All of you clear with co-prime? Because tomorrow I will take topic divisibility where I will going to use this co-prime concept, which is very important. फिर perfect number, then rule of BODMAS, then rule of counting principle. Okay, there is one update about your timetable. Tomorrow we have class, Thursday. So tomorrow I will take topic divisibility. Friday you have break because I have some work. Friday there is no class. Saturday we have class. I will continue divisibility, which is very important. Every year there is 1 or 2 question. So Thursday, tomorrow I will start a topic divisibility. Friday there is no class. Saturday I continue divisibility. If time permit, I take some extra concept. Sunday off. Sunday no class. This is about this week. Next week timetable I give you on Saturday. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीक का टाइम टेबल मैं सैटरडे को. नेक्स्ट वीक वैसे भी एक छुट्टी मिल रही है आपको, 2 की बजाय 2 मिलनी चाहिए थी, 1 मिलेगी. क्यों? गांधी जयंती, दशहरा, एक दिन पड़ रहा है 2 अक्टूबर को. बस संडे नहीं पड़ा. 2 अक्टूबर को गांधी जयंती भी आती, दशहरा भी आता, संडे भी आता, कुछ मर जाते. Thursday, Saturday we have class. Friday, Sunday no class. Next week timetable I give you Saturday. Okay, see. Thank you, student. If you don't have any doubt, you can leave the class. If you have doubt, you can wait.
मुझे मैथ्स में बहुत दिक्कत होती है. जैसे
कहाँ
हम
दिक्कत हो रही है?
दिए थे अभी 2025 का, तो सर जितने भी क्वेश्चन आए थे उसमें एलजेब्रा वगैरह के नहीं हुआ था.
तो आपने क्लास ज्वाइन तो किया, हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. इंग्लिश ठीक है आपकी, हो जाएगा फिर तो.
सर ये पूछना था कि जैसे मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन ना जब तक टीचर मुझे एक्सप्लेन करते रहते हैं, जब तक समझ में आता है, जैसे मैं खुद से करने के लिए बैठती हूँ तो सर मेरे से सॉल्व नहीं होते क्वेश्चन.
देखो क्या होता है ना, लेवल वाइज होता है. कुछ क्वेश्चन है इजी है तो इजी होते जाएंगे, फिर जैसे जैसे आप हार्ड वर्क करते जाओगे धीरे धीरे मॉडरेट भी होते जाएंगे, हो जाएंगे, टाइम लगेगा.
थैंक यू सर. क्वेश्चंस को हम सारे ऑप्शंस ट्राई करने पड़ते हैं.
Yes, you should have patience for that. You have to try. Yes, start with first. हाँ तो then it is correct. I think so.
मुझे कैलकुलेशन तो दस लो और सब कुछ ट्राई करते.
चलो, wait, with time you will be fast in calculation, but there is no other way. You have to try. Yes, you have to. This question you have to try with answer option. This question you have to put this value. ऑफ मतलब कहीं पे ये लिख देता 2 की पावर 5 into 3, तो यहाँ पे पहले ये सॉल्व होगा 32 into 2 of 5 लिख दे. ऑफ मतलब डिवाइड होता है 2/5. जनरली आई हैव नेवर सीन in a calculation questions, I never seen off or order has been used in BODMAS rule, but there is off or order also. If there will be off or order, after bracket you have to do this.
डिवाइड करना है.
हाँ, 2 of 5 पावर मतलब 2 into 2 into 2 5 टाइम.
तो आपने फॉर्मूला के लिए नोट कराने के लिए अभी उसमें लिखते चले.
हाँ कर लो, स्टार्ट कर लो. जैसे आज 5 फॉर्मूलाज बताए रूल ऑफ काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल के, वो लिख लो. को प्राइम की डेफिनेशन उसमें लिख सकते हो, प्राइम की डेफिनेशन लिख सकते हो. द थिंग्स विच यू थिंक कि बिफोर एग्जाम यू हैव टू मेक ए क्विक रिवीजन, यू कैन राइट इन ए फॉर्मूला नोटबुक.
पे आंसर 24 आ रहा है बट
मैं इसके डाउट कर लूंगा. डाउट ऑफ बी बोर्ड मास हैंड आउट इन योर बुकलेट आई विल टेक टुमारो. ठीक है, आप एक बार सारे ट्राई कर लो. इसके जो भी डाउट होंगे टुमारो. योर होमवर्क इज in your booklet page number 4 and 5 there are question on board mass and recurring decimal. You try this tomorrow. I will take doubt of this question. कल पूछ लेना. हाँ जी, पेज नंबर 6 में जो भी डाउट है शिवम यू कैन आस्क मी टुमारो. टुडे आई एम नॉट टेकिंग डाउट ऑफ बुकलेट. अभी मैं ये ले ही नहीं रहा कुछ डाउट. पेज नंबर 6 में क्या डाउट है? डिविजिबिलिटी आई विल टीच. उसके अलावा तो नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, ऑड नंबर, इवन नंबर, रैशनल, इरेशनल, प्राइम, कंपोजिट, प्रॉपर, इम्प्रॉपर, ये तो सिंपल डेफिनेशन है. यू कैन रीड और यू कैन अवॉइड. शिवम सिंह, एनी डाउट फ्रॉम बुकलेट आई विल टेक टुमारो.
In you said rule of counting, and we can't compare 7 to 9.
No. N is first and a natural number. So here it start from 31. So 1 to 30 is missing. You have to add. Same thing you have to subtract. Then it become 1 to 80. Then 80 will become value of n in that case. 7th class में आप इंटीजर चैप्टर 1, चैप्टर 2, चैप्टर 9, चैप्टर 13. 7th class NCERT topic is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 9, chapter 13. सिर्फ ये कर लेना आप 7th स्टैंडर्ड NCERT से.
कराया था तो सर ये कैलकुलेशन मुझे समझ नहीं आया. पहले मैंने इसको माइनस कर लिया और फिर
हाँ, इसको तो अलग रख लो क्योंकि ब्रैकेट के बाहर है. नहीं, आपने गलती की ना. 5 into 5 25 होता है. बट ये किया क्या क्यों आपने? पहले तो ये करली ब्रैकेट खुलेगा ना. तो पहले तो ये ओपन होगा. इसका ये आप यहाँ करली ब्रैकेट लगाओ. ये आप यहाँ पे करली ब्रैकेट लगाओ. सो व्हाट इज 35 minus 3 plus 5? 32 plus 5 37. तो ये होगा आपका 37. फिर ये ओपन ब्रैकेट करेंगे इंटू 5 प्लस 5 माइनस 185 प्लस 5 माइनस 5. ये 0 हो जाएगा. 85 प्लस 0 185. ये आपने ये करली ब्रैकेट नहीं हटानी थी. आपने करली ब्रैकेट हटा के गलती कर दी. हाँ जी, 8th के एनसीईआरटी में चैप्टर 1 कर लो. चैप्टर 9 कर सकते हो. चैप्टर 12 कर सकते हो. उन्होंने स्टूडेंट ने पीडीएफ शेयर किया आपके टेलीग्राम पे. आप ज्वाइन कर लो टेलीग्राम पे. उन्होंने एक पीडीएफ
फिर सर ऑनलाइन ऐसा ऑर्डर कर
पीडीएफ ही है. आप कुछ सिर्फ चैप्टर करने सारे नहीं करने. एनसीईआरटी
मोड थोड़ा सा है.
बिल्कुल डिफरेंस तो है. थोड़ा आईसीएससी बेटर है. तो पीडीएफ उन्होंने शेयर किया. उसमें से जिस नंबर सिस्टम रिलेटेड चैप्टर ही पढ़ने आपने कर सकते हो. Can you please show the slide of twin prime? Okay, I will show. Nidhi, if you are online student, I don't know whether they have parcel it. Nidhi, you have to contact at reception for that. I don't. मतलब मैं आपको कुछ नहीं कह सकता. आपको रिसेप्शन पे कॉल करके पता करना पड़ेगा. वही आपको एग्जैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे कि आप बुकलेट इंस्टीट्यूट से कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं या उन्होंने ऑलरेडी आपको कोरियर करवा चुके हैं. ट्विन प्राइम ये रहा ट्विन प्राइम. ये देखो ट्विन प्राइम 3 5 ट्विन प्राइम है 5 7 ट्विन प्राइम.